Hello, it's Alicia with WTI, and who doesn't need more storage in their life? I'm always looking for new storage spaces and organizing solutions, and this is a really cool product. This is from DYN Ptah, and this is a 4-tier metal shelving unit, but what makes this really special and unique, it is completely customizable for your space, and it is damage-free to your walls and ceilings. This is a tension rod system, so you can adjust the height as well as the width and fit it into any space you need. It's particularly useful in an over the toilet scenario where you can have shelving above your toilet, especially if you're in a small space or if you're in an apartment and you aren't able to put any sort of holes or drilling or anything in the wall. This is an amazing option for you. The height range is from 65 to 116 inches tall. The shelves can be adjusted as well, so you can open them or close them so that they are between about 19 and 31 inches wide. These shelves are really sturdy. The pipe is made from stainless steel and it is coated in a white color. It does come in black as well. Super easy to clean with a damp cloth, and these shelves can each hold up to 33 pounds. So you have a really nice amount of storage capacity there. So super nice for storing things like your extra toilet paper or towels or other toiletries, and just keep everything handy and organized and still be able to save space and also save your walls and ceiling. And I love that you can just pick this up, take it somewhere else, and totally customize it for that space as well. So if you're looking for a really versatile storage solution that you can use risk-free in apartment living or small spaces, then I would absolutely recommend this storage system from DYN Ptah. I think it's a really cool idea. It works really well, and that's my point of view.